The day began under a blanket of storms, but as boats left the dock, the skies started to clear just in time. This wasn't just another race around the buoys. This was the Rescue Regatta, a fundraiser and fundraiser supporting the Middlesex County Volunteer Rescue Squad. We weren't just racing for the thrill or the finish line. We were racing for community safety and the people who show up when things go wrong. By the time we reached the course, patches of blue sky had started to peek through. The wind held steady at 6 to 9 knots out of the south, perfect conditions for a pursuit race. In a pursuit race, the slower rated boats begin first, with the faster rated boats chasing. No handicaps, no post-race math, the first boat across the line wins. The course was a big V, close reaching out of the Piankatank River towards the Chesapeake Bay, then a broad reach back towards the Rappahannock, all in the waters off Stingray Point. Aboard Battle Rhythm, a 33-foot J99, we had Todd, Kevin, Jennifer, Holly, and myself. As the second to last boat to start, we hit our time, hoisted the A1, and settled into a tight spinnaker reach with most of the fleet ahead of us. Afterthought, a J109 was close behind, slowly working above us. We rolled past Tradition, a J100, and began reeling in the rest of the fleet boat by boat. The close spinnaker reach angle was tight, and navigating wind shadows from other boats kept us on our toes. At the turning mark, Afterthought and Corey Reckon rounded just ahead. They went wide, we rounded tight, and slipped inside, gaining position just upwind of them. From there, Corey Reckon went low and out into the bay, while we and Afterthought picked our way through traffic, learning about wind shadows and where not to be. On the final leg, we drived left to set up for a starboard approach. As we closed in on the finish, Afterthought and Chehallion finished first and second just ahead of us. We converged with Corey Reckon, Sting, Shenanigan, and Excitation close behind. We crossed the line in third, though a port starboard situation at the end led to a protest and a hearing afterward. In the end, it was a great day on the water. Huge thanks to the volunteers, race committee, sponsors, and the sailors who came out to support the Middlesex County Volunteer Rescue Squad.